Today we're tackling the hardest apology of all, the one they might never accept. How do you apologize to someone who refuses to forgive? Let's solve this once and for all. First, self-image and shame. Saying sorry means admitting we messed up, and for some, that shakes their identity to the core. Then there's power and control. Non-apologies are sometimes just tactics to avoid accountability. And don't forget, if the hurt is big enough, trust might be too damaged to repair. Don't guess, ask them, help me understand how I hurt you. Listen, let them speak without interruption. Say, I hope you can forgive me someday. But don't demand. Understand they decide if and when. Stop pushing, let them process. Stay consistent and trustworthy in the meantime. This isn't just about them, it's about you growing. Reflect, learn, maybe get support so you genuinely don't repeat the mistake. If they forgive but need distance, or choose not to forgive, that's their right. Healing isn't always about reconciling. Okay, so imagine you went out with friends and left your partner alone all night and, well, they feel hurt and ignored. You might say, I realize I left you out. You spent the night alone while I was out. Then, you could add, I'm really sorry I did that. Maybe you'd even admit, I feel ashamed. No excuse. You might offer, let me make this up. I'll plan a night together that's about you. And then, reassure them, I promise to check in next time. Finally, you could say, I hope you can forgive me eventually, but I understand this is on your timeline. An apology like this won't erase the hurt overnight, but it plants the seeds of true healing. And you know, even if forgiveness never comes, you'll know you did everything you could. So, hey, save this video for when you need it, and share it with someone who's struggling with apology. Apologize fully, repair deeply, grow always.